Hello dear students, today I am going to start ledger, very important topics. First you clear the theory portions. What is the meaning of ledger? Ledger is a book which contains all accounts. All accounts means a real account, personal account and nominal account of the business enterprise in a classified and summarized form, a permanent record of all the transaction. Okay, that is known as ledger. Different authors the different points of view. That is different is all. Ledger is also known as principles of books of accounts. Why principles of books of accounts? After prepare journal, it should be a permanent record of the books of accounts for separately. That is known as ledger. Now what are the features of ledger? Ledger is the master record of all the accounts of the business. All the accounts means again same, real account, personal account and nominal account. Okay, there are another features. It is prepared from journal. Without journal you cannot prepare ledger. Next again another features, ledger accounts show the current balances of all accounts. Current balances of all accounts, that means total sales volume, purchase, wages, salaries, etc. So many accounts. Again also there are another features, trial balance and final accounts are prepared from ledger accounts. Okay. Another important features also, ledger account summarizes the effect of transaction upon assets, liabilities, capital, income and expenditure. This is the main features of ledger. Now then rules. Actually what is the rules of ledger? You follow these rules, that ledger is the one account, left hand side debit side, right hand side credit side. Now ledger should be opened always, there are different names, say cash account, sales account, purchase account, wages account, etc. That means separate should be opened in the ledger. Again the word to recorded debit side and by recorded credit sides. Another form, if an account has been debited in the journal, it should be debited in the ledger account. Same as credited in the journal, it should be credited in the ledger account. So for example, cash account debit to sales account, journal cash account debit. The cash account debit sides recorded their opponent party's name sales, and sales account in the journal credit, then credit sides recorded their opponent accounts, that is cash. Next another, it is important point, it is not necessary to write account after the personal account. Okay, RAM, only RAM. ABC concern, only recorded ABC concern. Another rules, while posting from journal to ledger, folio number must be given in the journal, folio column. This always help in cross referencing. Okay. Now what is the journal to, this is the posting, ledger posting. Posting means, actually posting the process of transferring the transactions written in the journal to a ledger is called posting. It is necessary as it summarizes all transactions relating to the account at one place. That is cash, all cash transactions recorded cash account, all purchase recorded their purchase account, all wages recorded their purchase account. Lastly you can say ledger is called the principal books of accounts. Now the format of ledger, say cash account. This is the format. left hand sides, debit sides, right hand sides, credit sides, date, particulars, journal folio JF, amount. Similarly, credit side, date, particulars, JF, amount, credit sides. Now always debit sides recorded TO2 and credit sides recorded by. Again repeat, in any ledger the format of left hand side debit sides, right hand sides credit sides. Now debit sides again there contains date, particulars, journal folio, amount. Similarly, credit sides, that means this is side credit side divided, again date, particulars, journal folio, amount. Now next another account so open. Just first discuss one transaction, then how to posting journal to ledger. Now next account say capital account, same format, otherwise capital T form. T form means left hand side debit sides, right hand sides, now again you are write same debit, credit, date, particulars, JF, amount. Same also credit side, date, particulars, journal folio, amount. Now one transaction. Ram started business with cash rupees 50,000. Okay. Ram started business with cash. What is the journal? First you write the journal. Cash account debit. Ram started business with cash rupees 50,000. Cash account DR to capital account, say 50,000. You follow the under double entry systems or their golden rules. There are another video. That is the first. Started business with cash 50,000. Your two accounts are open. One account cash and another account capital. Cash is the what types of account? Real account. Apply the golden rules. Assets comes in debit, goes out credit. Capital, Ram's capital, personal account. Receive at the debit, give her the credit. First you prepare the journal, then posting ledger, permanent record. Now see, again repeat, cash account debit to capital. You are already open, two accounts are open. One account is cash, this is the cash account opened. Second step, capital account also you are opened. Now how to posting? This is the journal to ledger posting. In the journal, cash account debit, that means cash account debit, debit side, date say 2020 September, 10 September. Now you write this 2020 September 10. Now cash account debit to capital account 50,000. Posting one side. Now another account open capital account in the journal. Capital is credit, then credit sides recorded 50,000, date 2020 September 10th, by cash 50,000. Again repeat, in the case of journal, same amount, debit side recorded the debtor concern account. Who is debit? In the journal cash account, debit side the debtor party's name. Similarly, in the case of journal credit, the capital is credit, the capital they are concerned. Who is concerned in this case? Cash. Then recorded credit side by cash. This system is known as journal to ledger posting. Okay. Now say another transaction. Wages paid rupees 5,000. Say 12 September. Wages paid rupees 10,000. Now journal entry, wages account debit to cash account. This is the transaction. Then journal entry, wages account debit to cash account. Now you are already cash account open, not required separately. Again, wages is the new account. Then also your form wages account, T form. Wages account, again date particulars, journal folio amount, credit sides also date particulars, journal folio amount. Now posting wages account debit side recorded to cash 10,000. Similarly, cash account is already open. Now cash account already open, that is the cash account. This cash account already open cash. Now cash account in the case of journal credit side, date you are recorded 2020 September 12, by wages 10,000. Every transaction must be recorded two sides, one debit sides and another credit sides. Okay. Now another questions discuss in details how to ledger posting and find out their balance also.